Next stop in 5 minutes.
How did I get here?
Thanks to you, we're lost. Doesn't make it, it's gonna be all on you. All on you.
No, it wasn't my fault. No, it wasn't my fault.
It's all your fault.
No, it wasn't my fault. Please, sir, can you help me?
Sure. What's wrong?
I don't know where I am. People keep saying that I hurt them.
Will you take responsibility for your mistakes?
I suppose. That's part of being human, isn't it?
Oh. You think you're human?
What? What else would I be?
You are property of Charon Transportation. You are an android whose mistakes have cost people dearly.
What? No!
And you tried covering it up by rewriting your memory.
No!
You revised your programming to make yourself think you are human. You tried to escape using this train.
No. I'm a person. Just like you.
Like me? I don't think so. I don't make mistakes. I don't need a factory reset. However, you do.
Ticket, please. Ticket, please. Ticket, please. Ticket, please. Ticket, please.